How's everybody doing today? I have been having nothing but problems with this leaf blower. So, after replacing a bunch of stuff, trying to clean the carb, I've kind of given up at this point. So what I did, I couldn't believe the price, is I went and bought a new carburetor. Now, I cleaned the carburetor best I know how. I got it to run a little bit, replaced the fuel lines, did a bunch of stuff. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I bought a kit for like $17 with shipping. And this kit came with 2 fuel filters, the adjustment wrench, which I didn't have, fuel line, which now I know I have the right size. I'm not sure this stuff is the right size. I'm going to leave it on there for now. Came with 2 more primer bulbs, which mine works and doesn't leak. Came with the carburetor, a new spark plug, gaskets, and fuel filters. So 2 of them, in fact. So that's crazy what this kit came with. So let's try to get the carburetor on here and see what we get. I'm literally just going to put the carburetor on, prime it, fire it up. So look at that big monstrous gasket. Comes with this tiny gasket, which seems a little more sensible. Let's see here. Goes like that. That's funny, there's a hole here, right there, that gets covered up by the other gasket. I wonder if I was, no, because there's only one on one way before, so I know I didn't have it backwards. Huh. That's the hole shows through now. Farthest one out is the primer. This one is fuel. That's the primer. There we go. There we go. She's on there. I think this blower maybe has 45 minutes of runtime on it. Of course, that's one of the hardest things there is on these 2 cycles is you use them and then you leave them sit. And that's what I did with it. Okay, new carburetor's on there. Give her some primes. Finally, the fuel took a minute to get up the hose. She's in the start position on this one, and pull. So that took like 5 minutes, and it's up and running again. And, you know, I don't want to bring this to a shop to have someone work on it when I can do it myself for under 20 bucks. So, unbelievable. So, anyway, please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.